Hello everyone, welcome to the Heroes Initiative powered by IPCA. These heroes are instrumental in improving quality of life of the patients. Today we have one such hero who has improved life of tens and thousands of such patients. Doctor, we welcome you to the Heroes Initiative by IPCA. So doctor, are glaucoma a silent killer? My first question for you is, what are the early signs for glaucoma and how can it be detected before any significant damage occurs?
So one of the main signs which you may notice if you have glaucoma is blurry vision. So if you feel that your vision is not very clear, vision is blurry, it is inconsistent, that could be one sign of glaucoma. Along with it, headaches. Usually we say that they have brow pain. So if you are experiencing brow pain, eyebrow pain, or pain on the forehead frequently, then this could be a sign of glaucoma, which you need to evaluate with your doctor. And tiredness. So if you have early tiredness of the eye, early tiredness in terms of you're having frequent headaches, you're having a blurry vision, these could be early signs of glaucoma.
What are the risk factors for glaucoma and can it be prevented or slowed down with the lifestyle changes or medication?
So one of the main risk factor of glaucoma is hereditary. So glaucoma is a hereditary problem. So if you or your family members have glaucoma, or you have a family history of glaucoma, that becomes the biggest risk. So in such cases, that you should get regular checking. You should ask your doctor to look for any early signs of glaucoma. Apart from that, there is nothing that you can do to prevent glaucoma. If you have glaucoma and if your body has a tendency of glaucoma, you will get it. Your role comes that you need to detect it at a right time and you need to take treatment and you need to take follow-ups with your doctors regularly. Because there's nothing which you can do so that you don't get glaucoma. The only thing you can do is, if I have family history, I get checking. If I suspect glaucoma, I get myself checked.
How often should I get my eyes checked for glaucoma, especially if I do have a family history of the conditions, doctor?
So if one have a family history, then at least if you are 40 above, once in a year. If you are 60 above, at least once in 6 months. And if you don't have any family history, then every time you go for a routine checkup, which would be maybe once in a year or once in 2 years, any normal routine checking of the eye will detect whether you have any signs of glaucoma or not. So if you have family history, then you have to be more aggressive and check once in a year. If not so, then once in 2 years is more than enough.
So doctor, your expertise and insights on glaucoma, a silent killer, are invaluable to this initiative and we believe your participation will greatly benefit the patients.